Ang objective by madaliin o ang objective by palabasin kung ano ang katotohanan? Ayan na naman madali-madali na naman Saan ba galing? Saan ba nakasulat sa saligang batas na dapat madaliin ito? Oo, pero nagsimula na nga. Pati ba naman sa trial, forthwith pa? Wala namang nakalagay doon. Commence. Commence ang sinabi. Hindi sinabing trial shall be forthwith done. Tatapusin agad. Walang ganun, kayo naman. At kung kayo ang nasa panig na nasasakdal, masaya ba kayong isang araw lang ikaw magpe-presenta ng ebidensya, finish or not finish, pass your paper, parang grade 3? Again, I will leave it to the impeachment court, but personally, I think it's very difficult to limit the presentation of evidence on both sides to 1 day each, simply because you want it done at the soonest possible time. Hindi nakalagay na trial should be done at the soonest possible time, lalo na masyadong siniksik lahat ng bagay.